Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, today martyred one more Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The troops martyred the youth in a fake encounter during a continued military operation in Satpura area of Kupwara district. The operation was going on till last reports came in. An Indian soldier was critically injured in an attack in Baramulla district today. The Indian soldier was injured in an attack during a cordon and search operation in Bansiran Taripura area of the district. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the 27th October tomorrow as Black Day to convey to the world that India has occupied their homeland illegally. The day will be marked by a complete shutdown and civil curfew by the people in the occupied territory. Protests, rallies and seminars will be held in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan to condemn the invasion of the territory by Indian Army on 27th October 1947. Call for the observance of the Black Day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Regional political leaders have expressed grief at the death of the senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Maulana Abbas Ansari. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti said Maulana Abbas Ansari lived a life dedicated to the cause of peace and Islam. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah said all his life Maulana Abbas Ansari remained engaged with the issues deeply rooted in religious and cultural pluralism of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, 5 residential houses were damaged in a blaze in Srinagar. The fire broke out in Tanki Mohalla near Jamia Masjid area of Srinagar, causing damage to 5 residential houses. Parliamentary Committee on Kashmir, presided by Chairman Makhdoom Zada Syed Basit Ahmad Shah Sultan, has reaffirmed Pakistan's strong commitment to the Kashmiris' just struggle for securing their right to self-determination and asked the government to forcefully highlight the issue at every international forum.